hope you're all doing great. I really missed you, and today's video is kind of crazy. Before we get to it, please subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so I was thinking, how about I turn a trash bag into a Grammy dress? I can get really creative. I want to start doing lots of DIYs, obviously in the style fashion niche. Faccio un vestito da Grammys utilizzando una busta dell'immondizia. Sì, quello sacco nero. Esatto. Ho bisogno di tantissimo caffè per fare questo video perché non ho idea di come farlo, ma devo farlo. Please subscribe for more videos. Share this video with your friends. Maybe it's funny. I don't know if am I funny? I hope the end result doesn't look like trash, since I'm making a dress from a trash bag. So yeah, I hope the end result doesn't look like trash. So here are my two trash bags, the top and the bottom, the top and the bottom, and then I have glue. I'm not sure I need it, but I just have it just in case. And then a pair of scissors. Oh, here are my notes for all the videos I have to make, trying on all my dresses, making celebrity outfits, making a dress out of a trash bag. That's today. And then Kylie Jenner looks for less, styling hubby's clothes. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so let's get to work. Ta-da! I'm gonna start with the bottom part of the outfit. I'm gonna cut this part right here, this little bit. Oopsie, I'm gonna mess it up. Do you know I'm wearing my camera around my neck? So that's why it's a little bit shaky. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna finish. Okay, there you go. Done. So this is the part I just cut out. And now let's see what we can do. Oh my god, it looks like a scarf. This is what it looks like in the back. So I'm gonna use this belt to wrap it around my waist. Okay, let's do this. A little bit higher. You can see my feet. It's kind of crazy. What am I doing? But I'm gonna have to strap it in the back. Okay, around it, and here we go. Whoop. Almost did it. It looks like I have the Lady Gaga dress, the hips. Okay, perfect Grammy dress. So now let's work on the top. Here's the top. I don't really know what to do. I was trying not to use glue or sew in some parts. So now I'm gonna have to fold it a little bit into like a crop top. This should do it. Cool. Okay, so now I'm just gonna have to tie it in the back. Oh my god, it's so hard. Did I just do it? Oh my god. Cheese, please. Okay. Wow. And here's my very, very, very little bag. I've been ready for the last half hour, so please send the card, please. Thank you. Oh god, these people. I wonder what I paid them for. Duh. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I never thought I would ever win one of these. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. I mean, I'm speechless. I wouldn't have gotten this far without you, so thank you so much. Oh my god, please don't mind my nail polish. Yeah, whatever. I don't have the words. Wow, I'm shocked. I didn't expect this. Wow, I'm making history. I just made history. Grazie mille, grazie mille. Un sacco di spazzatura. Wow. Sto sudando, però non importa. Oh mio Dio, non ci credo. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the. Oh my god, mwah, thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos, and please tell me what kind of videos you would love to see more DIYs. Thank you for joining the shameless party. Bye. Love you.